told Noah what to do. Build a boat, big and strong too. Noah listened, Noah obeyed. He trusted God and was not afraid. Build the ark, big and wide. God is with us by our side. Rain may fall, clouds may start. God keeps safe what's in his heart. Animals came 2 by 2, elephants and kangaroos. God shut the door, kept them dry, safe inside as rain fell by. Build the ark, big and wide. God is with us by our side. Rain may fall, clouds may start. God keeps safe what's in his heart. Thank you, God, for loving me. Thank you, God, for keeping me safe.